Lightning usually blinks, and it's gone. But then satellites caught this, a single bolt racing through clouds for more than 700 kilometers. It burned across the sky for 17 straight seconds, long enough for researchers to watch it travel in real time. One flash, longer than any on record, a lightning bolt.
It stretched across over 700 kilometers of sky, almost the distance of flying across a small country, a single living ribbon of charged particles dancing from horizon to horizon. Tonight, the aurora didn't just visit, it poured.